Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. I am so inspired by the new release of Rihanna, Wakanda Forever. Oh my god, the music is so heavenly. More especially the message behind it. Okay? The message to Africans. Wakanda means Africa means Wakanda. Wakanda means Africa. So that music is so inspiring and it was derived from the movie of the Black Panther. If you guys know about the Black Panther, that is where the music is inspired from. And it's Lift Me Up by Rihanna. That's why I'm dressed in this traditional form. Africa, Wakanda Forever. So the message there is that wherever you are as an African, be good. Be a force for good, never for bad. Don't get yourself involved in anything that is bad. Do not be a terror in your community. Be an inspiration to the world. All right? My heart goes out to all the people that are affected by the flood. It's so disastrous. It really touches my heart. It brings tears to my eyes. When I see houses, so many houses that have been affected in Africa, in Nigeria, Delta State, Anambra State, Niger State, so many other places. Oh my God, it's so touching. My heartfelt empathy goes to every one of you. Stay strong, okay? We need light. We need love. Lift me up. That is all about Wakanda Forever. So, whatever situation you are going through right now, please stay strong. Be lifted up in spirit, not to give up. Every challenge has an expiration date, and these too shall pass. So, another lesson, yes, another lesson that we can also learn from this music that is inspired by Rihanna, Wakanda Forever. For all you crypto enthusiasts, for all you crypto enthusiasts, this is the time to support the African culture. This is the time to support the African heritage. Support the African dog, the meme coin, Wakanda Inu. Yeah, remember that is how Shiba Inu started. Shiba Inu, I think, is a Japanese dog, and today is the best performing meme coin in the world of cryptocurrency because it has a lot of backing. We can support Wakanda Inu. For those of you that have insights, this is the time for you to buy Wakanda Inu for the future because it is Wakanda forever. Let us stand strong and support our own African heritage and support African culture. Be a force for good, never a force for terror. Do not be a terror in your community. Do not be a terror wherever you are. Okay? Be nice, be good, be a good Wakanda.